All right, here's the engine. I don't really want to get rid of the engine stand, but you know, you come see me with $7,500 cash, you can take the engine stand too. Anyway, this is the crank bolt. I still have the timing cover and everything attached. I didn't want to take that apart. That actually will tell you pretty much if it's been rebuilt or not. But I didn't look like it. This cam looks pretty well worn to me. It could easily have 180,000 miles, but it could have easily been rebuilt. And the piston scoring isn't too bad. And all the walls look really good. And this is actually the passenger side of the car, and the passenger side of the car had much, kind of got the brunt of the damage in the front. Anyway, well, as far as rust goes, the front wheel on the spindle was stuck, but you can see it looks pretty darn good. I'm sure it's rebuildable, and like I said, it is a 400, and you've already got the picture of the serial number, so I don't remember where it is right off the top of my head. I think it's up front, but the picture's already there. It is a 400, and it is the original engine of the car. So, and the owners, none of the owners believe it's been rebuilt. So 181,000 miles, that's a pretty good, pretty good longevity engine. Now, obviously, I was going to take this over to Butler Performance. Actually, I was just going to have it honed and earn a board and everything here, and have Butler Performance send everything. But it's all here. Engine mounts are still attached. Make everything nice and easy for you. Oil pan's still attached. I haven't looked at the bottom end, and quite frankly, I'm out of it. But it does turn. It'll turn over with a wrench. I actually turned it over by hand, so it's actually pretty easy. I do have the clutch, flywheel, transmission, everything. All the other parts that you do not see here are in storage. I do have a couple of buckets. They're actually over here behind my engine stand, full of parts. Everything is labeled and baggied. So, showing it to you backwards. Driver's side, window, door, nuts. Look at that. Everything is just like that. And that's all. These are the parts. So everything's labeled for you. What you want to toss, what you want to keep. Again, that's going to be entirely up to you. Anyway, this is the project. It is a 1973 Firebird Formula 400. And it does have a unique little 400 in the dash, by the way. You don't see that very often. I'm not sure when they put that on there. I will show you the trim tag here really quick. Oh, here's the VIN. You'll probably have to zoom in on it. There's pictures of it. And here's the trim tag. You'll probably have to stop the video and zoom in on it to get it. But Valencia orange, and it is a 400 Formula 1973. Any questions, feel free to ask me on Facebook or wherever you find this ad. All right, thanks for looking. Bye.